It's 6 a.m. and every fitness guru wants you to find your why and hit 10,000 steps before sunrise. But let's face it, some mornings your why is a cheese stick and another hour of spunk.
Ooh, I can fry these.
I'm Andrew, and this is Fit the Right Way. Motivation isn't a character trait. It's a chemical hit of dopamine, and it lasts about as long as a cup of coffee does. It'll get you started, but it doesn't keep you going. So when you say you don't have discipline, all you're really saying is you don't have a plan for when the dopamine wears off. This is where the Mindset Primary Protocol flips the script. We stop aiming for the ceiling and start building from the floor. Your habit ceiling is for the version of you that got 8 hours of sleep and has a perfect schedule. That person has a 60-minute workout. But your habit floor, that's for the version of you that worked a 10-hour day and now wants to watch TV and eat fried cheese sticks. Your habit floor is your non-negotiable minimum. It's a protein-first breakfast and 10 minutes of movement. That's it. If you're tired of the hustle culture and want more honest fitness for real life, hit that subscribe button and join the Long Game Collective. We're building something different here. Now let's go set your targets. Here is how you're going to beat the motivation trap. Write down your floor in these 3 areas: your movement floor, your nutrition floor, and your mindset floor. When motivation fails, and it will, don't quit. Just drop to your floor. Never drop to 0. Stop waiting until you feel like it and start building up from the floor. If you need help with the nutritional math, watch this video on the protein floor and we'll help break it down for you. Till next time.